Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the Country Girl line dance, the Trailride version. The song is Country Girl. The artist is TONIO ARMANI featuring Jeter Jones. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
And I tell you my story. Let me tell y'all what I see down in the country. Yeah, they could believe what I mean. Well, I never thought that I would see this way far back in them. I saw something that I liked. Yeah, I never knew. I like them girls in them cowgirls. I like them girls in them Daisy Dudes. I like them girls in the cowgirl hair. Down in the country, that's where they at. Love me a country girl, and that's the fact. Down in the country, that's where they at. Love me a country girl, and that's the fact. Down in the country, that's where they at. If you ever get a chance to see these undress all around this place, and this place, and they couldn't get a change. And the trail ride and the rodeo too. Don't recognize country girls coming through. They all run love, they all run love, they all run love, they all run love. Brown skin, light skin, dark skin, white. All the pretty women with different body types. So many women in plain sight. Let me tell y'all what I like. I like them girls in them cowgirls. I like them girls in them Daisy Dudes. I like them girls in the cowgirl hair. Down in the country, that's where they at. Love me a country girl, and that's the fact. Down in the country, that's where they at. Love me a country girl, and that's the fact. Down in the country, that's where they at. Where they at? 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 In the country, in the country. Where they at? 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 In the country, in the country. Yeah, face in all the right place. We'll find the lights of the room. You look so good to me, baby. Can't get enough of you. I like them girls in them cowgirls. I like them girls in them Daisy Dudes. I like them girls in the cowgirl hair. Down in the country, that's where they at. Love me a country girl, and that's the fact. Down in the country, that's where they at. Love me a country girl, and that's the fact. Down in the country, that's where they at.
And there you go. Country Girl Trail Ride version. I taught you another version. That's the one the line dancers kind of do. But this is the Trail Riders. Check out the step-by-step tutorial. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.